Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, and I wanted to try to do a weekend in the life of a nail tech, maybe, possibly just a day in the life. I do have 2 clients today. I do have like 4 more clients at least for the rest of the week so far. So I just wanted to try to start doing something new for you all. Let's see how it goes. Breakfast. All right, you guys, I am done with both of my clients. It took me about 6 hours. I did soak off both sets of nails, and we basically started off fresh. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that first day. I will be recording more throughout this week, so I hope you guys are enjoying this. All right, hey you guys, so it is now Thursday. I did have a client on Monday, but all we were doing were fixing her nails. She had 3 nails that needed to be fixed. If you are familiar with my videos, she is my hairstylist client, and her nails are always lifting a lot with acrylic. We've tried builder gel, we've tried rubber base, we've tried all kinds of stuff, but I'm here to say that dip powder has been working well for her, and I'm so excited for that. But I'm sorry I didn't get any footage for that. Tuesday I had a rescheduled client, so I didn't get to do nails that day either. And then Wednesday I didn't have anybody scheduled because I had a personal appointment for myself to go do things. And now today is Thursday. I have a brand new client, and I'm super excited to meet her and see what nails she wants me to do. So you guys stay tuned, and I hope you Hello everybody, my hair is a hot mess. It is Sunday. I need to wash it. It is the last day for my week in the life of a nail tech, so I hope you guys have been enjoying this. I have 2 clients today, and my first one is a brand new client, and then my second one is a fill, so I'll be sure to record as much as I can without making this video super long, because I already have like pre-edited the you know, my week before today. So, and it's already a little bit kind of long, so yeah, trying to make it where it's not super long, but you guys get to kind of see, because you know it's new for me as well as it's going to be new for you, because I've never done this before. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah.